Hi there, I am Ismail from Lemon. One of the most expensive mistakes in SEO is assuming that more traffic automatically means more money. It sounds logical. More visitors should mean more customers, right? But in reality, some keywords with 100 monthly searches can generate more revenue than keywords with 10,000 because not all searches are equally valuable, and the difference comes down to intent. Traffic and revenue are not the same thing. Many businesses celebrate traffic growth, and traffic is important, but traffic is not the goal. Revenue is the goal. A person casually researching a topic behaves differently from someone actively trying to solve a problem. The second person may be worth 100 times more, even if there are fewer of them. The deeper the intent, the more valuable the search becomes. Someone searching CRM software could be a student, a blogger, a competitor, someone just casually browsing. But someone searching CRM for law firms has already narrowed the problem. They are much closer to making a decision. One of the strongest buying signals is pain. When a problem becomes painful enough, people stop researching and start acting. That's why many high converting keywords are extremely specific. They are often searched by people who are experiencing a problem already, and that problem needs solving. The pain creates urgency, and urgency drives purchases. A keyword with 200 searches can be incredibly valuable if those searches are urgent. Think about someone searching something like website hacked. They are not casually exploring. They are trying to solve a crisis. When urgency increases, conversion rates often increase too, because people don't want information, they want relief. The words people use tell you where they are in their buying journey. Someone is searching what is project management software is learning, but someone searching Monday versus Asana pricing is deciding. Those are completely different options, and the second visitor is usually worth much more. Many businesses ignore long tail keywords because volume looks tiny, but specific searches often reveal people with highly defined needs, and highly defined needs are easier to monetize. The search volume may be small, but the conversion rate can be dramatically higher. A lot of high volume keywords attract mixed audiences. Some visitors are potential customers, many are not, which means traffic can look impressive while revenue stays flat. This is why some businesses rank for thousands of keywords and still struggle to generate leads. Instead of asking how many people search this keyword, start asking what is happening in this person's life when they search this. That's often a better predictor of revenue, because search volume tells you popularity, intent tells you value. The most valuable keywords are not always the biggest keywords. They are often the searches made by people who have a problem, need a solution, and are ready to act. So the next time you do keyword research, don't just chase volume, chase intent, because intent is where the money is. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.